Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Herliana from School of Business and Management, Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. Okay, now I would like to talk about the impact of oil price shocks on rice price in ASEAN area framework. Authors of this paper are Sri Herliana, Dedi Budiman Hakim, Yusman Sokat, and Tanti Novianti. Okay, next. Introduction of this paper. Demand and strategy staple food in developing and developed countries, one of which is rice. Asia residents consume rice as much as 90% and as much as more than 22% of rice is consumed by the population of Southeast Asia. Countries in Southeast Asia are very insufficient rice need by their population, but not all countries can really fulfill it. Some countries have natural resource and agroclimate constraints. And the condition of the wood rice market and the domestic rice market is an unstable market and many factors influence it. One of the factors that can influence the price of unhulled rice and rice at the farm level is the effect of the integration of wood and domestic rice market. Thus, the event or shocks that occur on the wood market will affect the condition of the domestic rice market. This paper will discuss the framework for the impact of oil shocks on rice price in the ASEAN region. This framework is the basis for the stage in conducting weather research. Problem research. First, how is the relationship between oil and rice? And two, what is the impact of food oil price shock on rice price in the intra-ASEAN region? Literature review. We use literature review about international trade, especially rice international trade and oil international trade. Methodology. The research method of this paper is a description using secondary data. Secondary data were obtained from the result of research conducted by previous researches and data source. The secondary data in question is in the form of books and primary of original scientific reports contained in articles or journals in accordance with the topic of the impact of wood oil price shocks on rice price in the intra-ASEAN region. Analysis and discussion. First, about the relationship between petroleum or oil and price. We use figure 1 about input-output relationship curve between oil and rice. The linkage between oil and rice show that there is a relationship between input and output. Petroleum or oil is an input for the agricultural sector, but in the production side, especially on the transportation side. The price of oil, which often increase, makes the demand for oil decrease. If there is no substitution of crude oil for biofuel, for example, it will also have an impact on the profit maximization of farmers, which will also decrease. The increase in the price of oil as an energy source is very detrimental to many sectors, including agriculture. And next about framework, the impact of oil price shocks on rice price in ASEAN area. We use P0 tool about research flow framework in analyzing the relationship between wood crude oil price, wood rice price, imported rice price, and domestic rice price. It will involve the exchange rate either directly or indirectly. Based on answer research, the exchange rate will affect commodity price directly or indirectly. The directly effect of many changes in exchange rate will affect the price on the buyer country without change in the producing country. Price can change up or down is the short term depending on currency movements. This change is only a nominal effect, namely there is no immediate effect on supply and demand. Conclusion: the linkage between oil or petroleum and agricultural commodities often occurs in one direction, namely crude oil affect agricultural commodities and doesn't have happen the other way around. The high demand for oil causes an increase in wood oil price. The increase in the price of oil has an impact on agricultural sector. The hypothesis is that there is an asymmetrical relationship between the impact of wood oil price on rice price in the intra-ASEAN region. Thank you very much for attention.